Scott Butler from Edge Financial Services. Hope you're all well. I'm currently walking across the Hammersmith Bridge across the Thames in London. While I make this video for you, it's about probably 5 degrees coming off the water. A little bit chilly. People are out jogging and exercising and riding and being fit. And it's interesting to watch, you know, some people are struggling, breathing heavy pounding of their feet. Other people are doing it really easy and make it look like they're just basically walking. However, I really want to talk about some income protection today. And the reason is because there's things that I think it's an area that people neglect a little bit. And in Australia we neglect it because you get a policy basically handed to you inside your industry superannuation fund that a lot of people get. And they just think they've got some income protection, don't really know what it is. They know they've got it, don't know how it works. Look, basically income protection inside industry fund generally only pays you for 2 years if you can't work. So after that, you're on your own, which is probably Centrelink if you really can't work. And with inflation running at 10% a year, which is probably what it really is, and there's no sign of inflation subsiding because America's going to keep having a war with Russia till they become #1 power again. And we go, okay, well, what happens to you if then something does happen to you and your family, right? Most people should try to, if they can afford to, have an income protection policy that pays till age 65. And you might go, well, what's going to happen to me that I'll not be able to work? There's a pandemic of heart attacks going on in the world, of young, healthy people who are having heart attacks, and often heart attacks mean you'll never work at your job again. So that's where an income protection policy would at least protect your family's lifestyle and your mortgage, and no one gets to get kicked out of the house. I don't think we can ever say again, I'm young and fit and healthy, therefore I'll never have any health issues. That's proven to be not correct. I don't want to talk about the causes of anything, but there's been a lot of high-level athletes just drop dead on the soccer field, or people die in their sleep. So insurance is kind of a necessary evil that if you want to care about your family and have some certainty over things, then that's what you really need it. Most people can't afford it because their household budget is so tight that they can't really take that money out of their monthly expense, day-to-day money, and put an extra line on their expense column. So that's why we fund it via superannuation. So look, income protection, as much as insurance irks me, I am a big believer in income protection. I'm a big believer in insurance, full stop. Especially if you're carrying a whole lot of debts, like we all should if we're going to become wealthier. Guys, I think it's time for us all to review those income protection policies anyway, and have a look and see what we got. I don't think we can ever say, I'm healthy, therefore it'll never happen to me anymore. That's just not the case. Healthy people are dying left, right and centre. All right, well, I'm going to sign off from the Thames River. I will talk to you guys soon. See ya.